Welcome to Smart Story Studio, where timeless truths come alive through powerful scripture stories filled with lessons, emotions, and transformation. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any of our weekly uploads. Now, let's dive in. In ancient times, a group of young believers lived in a land ruled by tyranny. The king enforced his desires upon the people, demanding that all worship his false idols. These young men, however, stood firm in their belief in the one true God, rejecting the king's commands despite the fear that gripped their hearts. Feeling forced to choose between their faith and their lives, the young men fled the city's oppression. Seeking refuge, they stumbled upon a hidden cave, deciding it was here that they would attempt to preserve their devotion. As night fell, they made supplication to Allah, pleading for his protection in this place of solitude. Allah answered their prayer with a miracle. He enveloped them in a profound sleep, shielding them from harm. For centuries, they slept undisturbed, while the world outside changed. Kingdoms rose and fell, and legends whispered of their steadfast faith. When Allah finally awakened them, their hearts were filled with hope and amazement at his divine mercy. Remarkably, they emerged to discover their land transformed into a place of peace where the tyranny had ended and the truth they believed in was now embraced by the populace. Their story became a timeless testament to the power of faith. These youths demonstrated that standing firm in one's beliefs amid societal pressure is not only possible but necessary. Moral: Allah protects those who stand for truth. Even when society stands against you, Allah stands with you. They found peace not in palaces, but in a cave with Allah. You can too. True rest is found in faith. Actionable plans. 1. Be courageous in your faith. Don't compromise what you believe, no matter the pressure. 2. Choose righteous friends. Like the sleepers of a cave, surround yourself with those who strengthen your belief. 3. Retreat to worship when the world feels overwhelming. A quiet place with Allah is better than loud approval from society. 4. Trust Allah's plan. He can make the darkest cave your safest shelter. 5. Read and reflect on Surah Al-Kahf every Friday. It's a shield for the heart in times of trials. What a journey through faith, failure, and God's unfailing love. If this story moved you or taught you something powerful, drop a comment below and tell us what stood out the most. And don't keep this truth to yourself. Share this video with a friend who needs some light and encouragement today. Remember, here at Smart Story Studio, we tell stories that inspire, teach, and transform lives. Subscribe now for more emotional, dramatic, and truth-filled scripture stories that shape your mind and spirit. Until next time, stay inspired, stay strong, and stay rooted in the Word.